Blaze again with Blaze Handcrafted Woodworks. Today we're installing knobs and pulls on these cabinets that we finished a couple of weeks ago. So we'll show you how we do it. These still recording? Okay, so these are the tools we can use: a combination square. We made this jig for the knobs, painter's tape, screwdriver, and a 3/16 drill bit. That's good. I just gotta find the 3/16 drill bit. You can stop it. So this is the jig that we use to install our knobs. So you just line it up in the corner. We made this hangs on the top and the side. You drill a hole through like that. When you go to this side, the knob's already on, but you do the exact same thing. You just push square it up for the top and the side, or the rail and the style. You drill your hole and install your screw. So drawer pulls are a little more difficult. It's still nothing that difficult. I already drilled the holes in here when I thought of making the video, but I'll just show you how I do it. So basically I measure this. Whatever it is, I split that by 2, and it's 37 3/8. So we should have 18 11/16 would be our center. So we take a piece of painter's tape. Put it where we're going to drill our holes so we don't make marks on the drawer front since it's already painted. So we go ahead and find center, which I said was 18 11/16. Here's center. And to double check ourselves, we come from the other way, and it's still right on exactly 18 11/16. So then we measure our pull from center to center. We have 6 1/4. Half of 6 1/4 is 3 1/8. So from this center, we go 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1/8. Then we go 1, 2, 3, and 1/8. And then we measure it vertically. Vertically, this drawer front is 4 1/2, which means half of 4 1/2 is 2 1/4. So we come here, we measure 2 1/4. Come here, measure 2 1/4. Wherever I made my mark. 2 1/4. Then what we do is we only drill one hole first, just to make sure we're lined up. So again, 3/16" drill bit for the knobs and the drawer pulls. So again, I'm going to take the tape off now because the holes are already there. There's no point in doing it again, but I just want to explain how we do it. But you would leave the tape on until after you drill the holes. It's just I want to know where I put the hole I'm trying to fill for it. Let's do this. Let's not do that. Okay, so there's our hole. So then after we have one hole, I like to take the tool, put it on there, and just make sure that where you marked lines up perfectly with where you need to put the next hole. Once you drill that hole, take the painter's tape off. You're left with 2 holes, and then you simply take a Phillips head screwdriver and you install your drawer pull, and it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.